In Pomona, we build a lot of the test leads and accessories for Fluke branded products. Pretty much everything that you get either in the box with a multimeter or buy for your multimeter comes out of Pomona. Our four biggest runners are our test lead cells. We make 4 different test leads in those cells. TL75s, they're our baseline test lead. TL71s are an upgrade. 224s for hooking up with accessories, and then TL175s are our premium test lead. We build probably a couple 100,000 TL75s every year, and then a few 100,000 of the rest of the other 3.
We're installing a 16-channel VibGuard today on Fluke's Pomona Plastics injection molder. The purpose of installing this VibGuard on the injection molder is to provide continuous condition monitoring across 16 channels simultaneously. And that's kind of what sets the VibGuard apart from our competition.
The cell that we're working on today is the TL224 cell. It builds all of the test leads banana plug to banana plug.
What the benefit for Pomona Plastics is going to be is they're going to get high quality online data monitored by Azima DLI's Watchman service to provide condition monitoring on a tool that is integral to their production process.
From a machine standpoint, we do have a fair bit of downtime. A lot of our machines are a little bit older in that cell. And so with the VibGuard, we're really hoping to get ahead of some of that, right? So looking at the hydraulic systems and the electronic systems, those motors and the pumps themselves, if we can start to see the failures coming up ahead of time, we can get parts on order and schedule downtime for the cell so that we're not scrambling to get stuff replaced.
At Fluke Reliability, we're proud to be able to offer the VibGuard condition monitoring system integrated into the Azima DLI Watchman services. This provides in-depth condition monitoring powered by the Expert Alert automated diagnostic system and backed up by Azima DLI's team of trained Cat 2 to Cat 4 vibration analysts. The VibGuard into Watchman services is going to provide Pomona Plastics plain language actionable results, keeping their equipment up and running, reducing downtime, and saving them money.
We're also really excited about the integration from Azima with the Watchman system. Our maintenance guys aren't going to have to pay attention to the system so much as just wait for something to come up. Our maintenance guys will be able to jump on top of it from there. Keeping that hands-off approach from our maintenance team means that we've got more time to go out and fight fires in other areas, and we don't have to worry so much about these 2 or 3 machines in particular.